gonna try to show y'all some good video. All right, here we go again. We're back, another video. This time starting off in Armenia, Colombia, and heading to Filandia. So keep watching as we explore this beautiful and colorful town. Hola. Hola. Get the video. Sit. Oh, it's like porridge. Okay. So on the way to the bus stop, we saw this unique stand, La Vaca Glossia, which I believe translates to the greedy cow, and tried what he had. And it's kind of like a porridge with some type of sweet sauce, cheese, raisins, and topped off with more of that sauce. And it was actually pretty good. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay.
Gracias. ¿Me regalas otra cucharita, por favor?
Let me take another video of this going around. Muchas gracias. How does it taste?
Rico.
It's good. It's warm. Alright, so we're at the, I don't know, some little plaza, and we're gonna catch the bus to Filandia from here in Armenia. And this is from where the part of town we're in, this is a good stop. So it's close, like a 10-minute walk from my hotel, and we're catch the bus from here. How much will it cost? ¿Cuánto es por el bus?
No recuerdo.
Okay. Pero no mucho. Yo pienso 10.
5.
5. Okay. That's finished. Done.
Yeah, that's yum.
On the bus. And I guess you just hop on. We didn't pay yet. You pay when you get off? Oh, good. So we made it to Filandia. And I'm gonna try to show y'all some good video. Some colorful video.
Okay.
Yes. The town is colorful. Yes. And coffee too, right?
Yes.
Okay. We up here now at the square. Kind of similar setup to Salento, but different. Seems a little bit more local, not as touristy. All right, that's the church there. ¿Por qué vaca? Huh? What is it at? It's flying right there. Alright, so we found a restaurant we're gonna eat lunch at. It's right down here. Hola. So this is we're gonna have lunch, and as you can see, it's a very nice restaurant, good decor, and we just wait on the food and see how that is. Okay.
Estas son unas arepas paisas de cortesía de la casa. Tenemos variedad de mantequillas saborizadas, mantequilla natural, ajo, cúrcuma, páprica y mantequilla con orégano. Gracias.
Es muy bonita acá.
So the food has arrived. And ¿qué se llama?
Costa.
Costa.
Negra cartagenera.
Okay.
Gracias. Mil hojas de sobre barriga con queso paipa.
Okay.
Hola.
We lucked up and got here just in time for sunset. Check it out. Bye bye, Filanda. Till next time.